Have you ever wondered about the journey of a humble roll of toilet paper? It's an everyday essential, yet its story, from forest to flesh, is one of transformation and purpose. Our journey begins in the forest, where tall trees like pine and spruce are carefully selected. These trees provide the raw materials for the pulp that will eventually become toilet paper. At the paper mill, the transformation begins. The bark is stripped, the wood is chipped, and the pieces are mixed with water and chemicals to create pulp. This pulp is refined, bleached, and pressed into large sheets of paper. These massive sheets are rolled into giant reels, each weighing several tons. But the journey doesn't end there. The rolls are sent to converting facilities where they're cut, perforated, and embossed to create the familiar rolls we know. Once packaged, these rolls are shipped to stores around the world, waiting to find a new home. At last, the roll finds its way into a home. In the bathroom, it serves its purpose, providing comfort and hygiene, one sheet at a time. As its life comes to an end, the last few sheets are used, and with one final flush, its journey is complete. The cardboard tube may be recycled, starting a new chapter in a different form. The life of a roll of toilet paper is brief, but meaningful. From the forest to your home, it plays an essential role in our daily lives. Next time you reach for a roll, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken to get there.